The CHiQ Joining Kit is supplied with the right hinge models. You will find the joining strip when unpacking the carton, while the installation kit is included in the accessory package. Installation steps. Step 1. Remove top plate covers. Unscrew the 3 screws securing the top plate covers of each unit. Cover the exposed holes with the provided grey covers, fixing them with 2 screws each. Step 2. Install front bracket. At the front of the unit, secure the joining kit bracket with 1 screw on each side to connect the 2 units. Step 3. Secure bottom bracket. Loosen the screws underneath the front of the units. Install the metal hook bracket at the base to hold the 2 hybrids firmly together. Step 4. Fit the joining strip. Place the joining strip neatly between the 2 units. Step 5. Secure rear bracket. Loosen the 2 screws at the back of the units. Install the rear metal hook bracket, adjusting the spacing of the units and tighten the screws. Once completed, the 2 CSH379 NBS-L5 and the CSH379 NBS-R5 hybrid units are securely joined and the installation is finished.